Welcome to Walletopia. Please join us. Walletopia.info. Be part of our community and mailing list. Now, this little fidget spinner right here, you can see that right here, and closer down here, what this does in my hand, this is one of the offerings from Sleek Life Designs. Now, while a cool and great way to pass time in meetings, or sitting at the computer, it's really their VEXT Wallet here, the VEXT Slim Wallet that we're talking about. So let's get into it. It's consumer grade type packaging here. It's got a plastic shell and of course a post hanger right here. Let's open this up. Let's see what we can do here. If the plastic beats me. There we go. And here is the wallet. It's got a foam insert here which protects it. Some good instructions on the back and how it's utilized. Good thought. And under the wallet itself. This is silver, but it also comes in 4 color options, including black, rose, gold, and carbon fiber. You can kind of see here, we've got a card. Notice this. Directions this way, directions that way. We'll talk about this, but this is how this wallet works. And we can see that it's metal, it's screwed together. It's got this really substantial elastic here, which we'll look at closer, but it's very sturdy, that's for sure. It'll be great. Let's get into this. Now into the feature review of the Sleek Life Design VEXT Slim Wallet. With this, it's a box wallet. I think we're familiar with box wallets, except this does not have a trigger or a button or something to help eject cards. And you'll notice that, and that's why I left these in here, we have these cards, one with an arrow that, oh look, a card comes out that way. And oh look, a card can come out this way. That is true. This main box compartment here is where you put cards. And in this one, I can get up to 9 cards. Not bad. So you get 9 cards in here. You have a quick access thumb push in here or pull, and we'll show how that functions. On the rear, we have a strap. And this strap isn't just some kind of normal strap. It's not just a one loop around. It actually has in it a hidden compartment. And this little fold right here is what provides the capability for coins or keys or SIM cards, whatever it might be. And it is really strong. You're not going to have things falling out of here by accident. So we have the main strap for cash and the little pocket here strap in front for other items, including coins, keys, and so forth. And that's a review of the features of the Sleek Life Design VEXT Slim Wallet. Now onto the card and cash insertion test. Now, as you notice, we went to great lengths to test all these currencies, and the key was, could it be folded once and fit behind here? Most of the currencies work okay. The large ones, of course, the 50 or 100 euro note, yen, the 50-pound note, those kinds of things, they're just too big. But of course, they're all moving to more slimmer currencies, and that should work better. Minimalist carry on this is 3, reasonable is 8. I had 6 in there, and the company says up to 9, as we mentioned. Now, the US dollar height currencies, as mentioned, work fine. So Australian dollar, some of the lower denominations of euro and the pound and yen doesn't work at all. And again, if it doesn't work, you just fold it twice and put it in there. Okay, now from a quality perspective, this is designed in the United States. It's made in China. It's made from aircraft grade aluminum. It's scratch resistant and lightweight and really pretty strong. If you carry this in your back pocket, it's not recommended. I don't think you'd have a concern about this bending or breaking. And I said it was scratch resistant. So, you can put it in the same pocket with keys and whatnot, but we all know what happens regardless of the wallet when you do that. Now, we've talked consistently about the need for box wallets to have a friction strip on the interior sides to prevent cards from launching when a trigger is involved. Now, the VEXT does this very well in what they call high compression fabric strips. And these fabric strips, as you can see, they're all the way down, and that's good because the wallet opens up all the way through, and so that's important that we get that coverage there. Now, of course, the cards that are put in here, they have a lot of friction, holding them in while they're here. And as a demonstration, I have these cards in here, and I'm not holding it really tight on the sides, and nothing is coming out of here. And it does take effort to push these cards up or out. up or down. I mean, it does take a lot of friction to do that. And so I don't have any concerns that you'd have cards falling out here. It's really good. Now the price on this is $45. And this fidget spinner thingy we're here, the Oh No they call it, it's 25 bucks. It's really kind of fun. I use it when I'm in meetings and so forth. Now using the wallet is pretty easy. And like I mentioned, it uses both sides of the function. So let's get into the details. So we use our thumb here, and of course you can press up, and you can press for more cards. You can find the card you want here, whether it's on the bottom, whatever it is. Of course, it just fits right back in. Let's say you pull a card out. Okay, fine. You can put it in the bottom here. And so you have angles on how you're getting your cards out in multiple functions. And it's really clever. I like the accessibility from both sides. Now the company has sold thousands of these wallets, and customers from their version 1 website in 2017 are still using it, and it's working without a problem. So no issues again with this strip for long periods of time. But if you do have an issue, they will provide replacement strips for free. So if it just happens to be wearing out and they seem to be a little looser and you're a little concerned, they'll help you with that. You simply use your thumb to pull the cards down, look for the cards you want, then you push the card out. It's not just to pull it out, but you can do it for payment. So you can have a card here that could be your always used card, and you just push it out, and you can tap it, you can insert it. There's all kinds of ways you can do it without having to pull it out completely, and then you just pull it back in. Easy to use. Now they also have another variation of this wallet called the Veer, which includes a small tray. It's for coins and so forth, but it doesn't have this functional strap. I really like this elastic strap. I like this version better. It measures 3.5 by 2.8 by 0.4, and it weighs 62 grams. Now, initially I had questions and concerns about the usability of the wallet, but as I used it with cards and cash, I really like how it works. You'd think the cards would be falling out. I've mentioned that several times because I know you're going to bring that up, but it really doesn't happen. There's really nothing mechanical in this to go wrong and break. So now let's get on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 3, features of 4, usability of 4, and perception of 3. That gives us a score of 37 out of 50. Keep bringing new and exciting wallets that you find our way so we can do a review on them. Everyone's enthusiasm is amazing, and I appreciate the community we've been developing together. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next review.